WordPress on itself is open source, an open source content management system. It's open source, it's free. The source code is available to the public, maybe for configurations or learning. So it's free, it's open source content management system that uses PHP, for people who use PHP for their files to create their web pages. Supports PHP and MySQL for running the database that you can get all of this information. The data that comes in or goes out of your website, you can get PHP and MySQL. And it's also the most popular platform for building websites and blogs. If you're running a website, if you're running a sales shop, if you're just doing blogs on yourself, maybe you're advertising those articles, you can of course feel free to use WordPress. And it refers to the process of providing web hosting services for a WordPress website. So of course, these are websites that are developed using the WordPress software that offers web hosting services for that specific WordPress websites. And of course, there are many different types that you can get with WordPress hosting. It includes shared hosting. Maybe if you want to share resources among some of yourself, you don't want to touch, you don't have a high amount of traffic, or you want to save on costs, you can get the shared hosting. There's also cloud hosting. There's also managed and virtual private servers. All of these are just but some of the types of WordPress hosting that you can get. And essentially, WordPress is a content management system that allows you to publish your own website without any technical knowledge. You don't need to have a lot of technical ability. You don't need to keep learning all of those codes. You don't need to just learn about all of those different programming languages. Maybe you don't have a lot of prowess in computers, the computer science aspect of it. You can use WordPress, which is much easier to create websites on your own, much faster to design, and they are also very secure. And WordPress also offers an all-inclusive platform for users, like I said, with no coding skills, which means that anyone can build a website using WordPress. So any person that you might be, whichever course that you may have done, whichever business that you may be running, if it's a small shop, if it's a blog article, if you're publishing any type of website and you need to create it, you can use WordPress without having that technical knowledge, those technical aspects of it.